Hey everyone, Simon Says here with CVLIFE, and we've got a quick unboxing of their shotgun cleaning kit for 12 gauge, 20 gauge, and 410. I'm going to give you guys a full rundown of everything that this kit comes with, and then I'll give you all a quick demonstration on how to clean your barrel. So to get things started, it comes with this empty oil container that you can put whatever brand of oil that you would like to, and some pads that you can actually use for solvent, or some oil if you're running that through your barrel. Next up, we've got a nylon brush with a smaller end for more detailed surface work. And then we've got the bigger end, which is obviously going to help you with your larger surfaces at getting rid of any buildup. And then it comes with this tiny little double-sided pick right here, which will help you kind of get into those hard to reach areas as well. Really nice to have something like that. You never know when you might need it. Now getting into the main part, we've got your T-style handle, 360 rotating rod right here. This is what you're going to use to obviously clean your barrel, and then we've got a whole bunch of extension rods as well. So depending on how long your barrel is, you'd obviously use those extension rods to get it all the way through. We've got a muzzle protector right here, or a barrel protector, whatever you want to call it. Pretty much whenever you're sliding your T-handle rod through, it's not going to harm the muzzle of your barrel. Then you have one brass adapter, which is going to allow you to put on your 2 slotted tips, or your 3 copper bristle brushes, or your 3 cotton mops. Each one of these is in each gauge that you need it, so 410, 20, and 12. It's pretty nice having all of those options. Obviously, we have a 12 gauge, and that's what we're going to be demonstrating today because I think that's probably the most popular option. So let me go ahead and grab my barrel and show you guys how it's done. All right, I went ahead and grabbed my 28-inch hunting barrel just to kind of use as an example, but really this will work for whatever kind of barrel you have. First, you're going to start out by taking your T-handle and your accessory rods to extend it. And again, depending on whatever size barrel you have, you're just going to add the extenders till you're able to fully reach all the way through and out your muzzle. Perfect. And just to show you guys what that looks like, it is fully sticking all the way through that barrel. As you can see, there's like 4 inches hanging off there, which is exactly what you want. And then the next step would be to take the brass tip adapter, which allows you to put everything else on, like your jig heads and your brushes, which the next thing we're going to do is take that jig head, screw that in place, and then we're going to grab one of these little cleaning cloths, put it through our jig tip slot, like so, about halfway. And then you're going to take your solvent, apply that to your cleaning cloth, put it in your barrel, run it all the way through, making sure to only rotate to the right, which will make sure that nothing comes loose, making sure to push all the way through your barrel and out your muzzle, then removing the cloth if you'd like, sliding it back through, making sure you're not bringing any grime or buildup back into this end, which obviously it's going to be a lot harder to clean. That's the end that goes into your firearm. But thankfully we have stuff like this and this in the kit, which would allow you to get into those nooks and crannies. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and remove this tip. Now that you've ran solvent through your barrel to clean it, the next step would be to take a copper bristle brush right here, slot that in place, and obviously depending on what gauge shotgun you have, mine is a 12 gauge, you're going to screw that on right there, and again bring it through your barrel, pushing it through, rotating and turning to the right and out your muzzle end. The copper brush is going to allow you to get all that hard residue and buildup. Then what you're going to do after that, take that off, and then you're going to come through with that soft mop. Then you're going to take that dry mop and run it through your barrel, making sure that it clears any sort of leftover powder or residue. And then lastly, we're going to go ahead and take this off and go back to our slotted jig, put that on there. And you're going to take another one of these cloths and pretty much put some oil on there. So let's pretend I got some oil. And then you're going to put that through and run that through your barrel. And that's pretty much all you got to do to clean your shotgun barrel. It's pretty easy, guys. It's not that difficult, and having a kit like this definitely helps. One thing I'd like to mention is the construction of this thing. It definitely feels quality built, like it's not about to bend on me or break whenever I'm cleaning my shotgun, and I think that's the most important thing. Maybe you have a 12 gauge but your buddy has a 410, or maybe you're just somebody that's a shotgun enthusiast and you like investing in having different calibers. Well, they've got that for you as well. And that's pretty much it, everybody. So if you're interested in picking up something like this, I'll make sure that I've got links down below for you guys. Thank you guys for clicking to watch, and until next time, keep it cool and happy shooting.